Hello everyone and welcome to Craig Play, where there's always time for fun. Today we're going to be playing with the Thomas the Train Tornado Twister attachment. You can set it up to any of your Thomas the Train sets. I have it on a smaller loop here so we can really see how this works. Alrighty, well, we will be using this train, who you can see looks like he's going through a tornado. He's got a lot of wood and metal and leaves flying all around him. So we will use him to get started. Here we go. All right, that was great. As you can see from different views, how he spins inside there. When his backtracks hit these, that's what causes everything to spin around. And so he gets in there and then he pops back out. So the way to reset it is by this orange lever, which you pull back, and that puts the barn and the tornado back in place. You set the barn up, and there's a little telephone pole here. Let's see what's all on here. There's pieces of lumber, a cow, leaves, and mostly the funnel cloud of the tornado. It pops open, and that's where everything goes inside the barn. All right, let's send him through one more time. Here we go. Thanks for playing with us again on that Craig Play. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't get too busy. And remember, there's always time for fun.